Hello everyone, hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalking Creations. I'm an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today's video I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a simple project with a Try Me sample kit that I made, and I am using as a demonstration one of the transfers from the Beautifully Rare Minis. Now, the Beautiful Rare Minis, those are last chance. I will have a link to those down below in the description box, but I wanted to create a little try me kit. So that way, if you're not sure about Chalk Couture, you've been watching some videos, you like to give it a try, this is a quick, easy project that you would be able to make. I am using a Chalkable Chip. I've already pre-punched a hole in it for you. And your kit costs $12. That's shipped within the United States, and it includes shipping. And what you get with your kit, along with this video tutorial, so be sure to either bookmark this video, subscribe, or like this video. That way you can use this for a reference. You'll receive one of the reusable Chalkable chips. It is double-sided. You'll also receive a piece of jute twine. You'll receive a thank you for your purchase and also with instructions. One randomly chosen of the Beautiful Minis, and one random color of paste packet, along with one mini squeegee. All right, first thing you're going to need to do when you get your kit is you need to take the transfer. Now, these transfers are reusable, and I've already put a sticker on the back so you don't need to mark it, and it tells you what mini this is from, what this transfer is from. So if you like to get it, you can. Now, the Beautifully Rare Minis are last chance. So if you like these and you want to get all 12 of them, I will post a link down in the description box for you, so that way you can get all 12 of them if you like to do that. Now, this is your backer sheet, so keep it. All right, you have your matte side and your shiny side. Once your transfer is clean and dry, this is the side you want to adhere it to. Set this aside. Now, I have a fuzzing cloth. If you don't have a fuzzing cloth, don't worry about it. You just go ahead and use a towel, a t-shirt, a sweatshirt. You just want something that's going to take some of that stickiness off. See, they're sticky because they are reusable. Oops. And if that should happen, it flips back on itself. Just gently peel it apart. And just go ahead and fuzz it, 3 or 4 times. I'm going to set that aside, the fuzzing cloth. Now you take your Chalkable Chip. Now you can measure if you like to. I just kind of eyeball it. I know the hole is up there, so I like to have this somewhat straight. And then just place it on there. Now let me see if I can bring this a little bit closer for you. And then I just press it down with my fingers to make sure that I don't have any little fuzzies underneath there, any lumps or bumps, air pockets. Make sure I have good contact with my Chalkable Chip. All right, and with your paste packet, you want to knead your paste packet. Make sure that your paste in there is well mixed. Now you can cut it from the top. That's how I used to do it, but I don't do that anymore. I move the paste down towards the top and I cut from the bottom. So that way, if I like the color and I want to order some more, I know what the name of the color is. You just take some scissors, you cut off the bottom, you cut straight across at a diagonal, whatever it is you would like to do. Now I have my own little ceramic plate here. You can use your own surface that you like to use, and you just kind of work some of the paste down, squeeze it out on your little palette that you're going to use. It's not going to take much, and then when you're done with this, you can just fold it over and tape it. All right, and then you take your mini squeegee bevel side, you dip it into your paste, make sure you have quite a bit on there, and then you just simply apply it. You can be generous with it. Make sure you've covered all of your design. Scrape off the excess paste that was on there, and then go through and scrape off any excess on your transfer, so that way you know you have good, even coverage. And then it's time for the peel and reveal. Now I start at the corners, kind of work in the middle there, and then you just slowly pull it up. That way if you missed a spot, then you can just lay it back down and touch it up. It is that easy. Now I'm going to set that aside and let that start to dry briefly. I'm going to show you how you can clean your transfer. Now you can take it to the sink and do what I'm about to do, but I'm just going to grab one of my old paint towels here and I'm going to lay this down sticky side. I'm going to get a bottle of spray water, spray bottle of water, and I'm just going to grab a sponge. If you have a board eraser, you're welcome to use that. And I'm just going to rub it gently on the top there. Okay. Use the other side that's not as wet. And I'm just going to peel that up. Now, because of my towel, I've got a lot of fuzzies on here. Probably was not the best choice. And then I'm just going to grab a wet wipe. All right. I'm going to wipe off the back. Now, you do not want to use you do not want to use a baby wipe. That will take the adhesive off. Okay. And then just wipe it off on the other side. You just want to make sure that you don't have any paste inside your mesh screening there. And once you let it dry, just let it dry. We're going to pretend it's dry. How you know it's dry, it will be sticky again. And then you take your backer sheet and then you just lay it back down on there, press it on, and it's ready for your next project. It is that easy. And if you like to put the same design after this dries, just put it on the other side. You could do that. All right, we're going to set that aside, and I'm going to show you how to put on your piece of twine so you can make it into a tag. Now I'm using a little heat tool. You can use a hair dryer if you're in any hurry, or like I said, you can just let it air dry. Let's see if this is dry. Yes, it is. And then you take your twine, you match your ends, and then with that loop, you just want to push it through the hole. Now this is for a lark's head knot, and I prefer to do it this way. You can, just thread the jute cord through if you like to, but I like to do it that way, so that way it is hanging forward, and then you could just tie it around a gift if you're giving it a gift for somebody. If you want to tie it, on the corner of your mirror or on a door handle. And if you don't want to use it that way, then you could just go ahead and thread it through, like so. And then you could tie it that way. It is that quick and that easy, and I hope you enjoyed this Try Me kit. I will have a link posted down below where you could purchase one, and these are the varieties that you could possibly get. Now you do ship within the United States and shipping is included. All right, thank you so much for watching. You have a beautiful day.